Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Our colleague has already asked a question in relation to staff houses. People of Likoma would like to know about the 24 houses which were supposed to be constructed in Likoma and Kizoma Islands. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Member for Likoma Islands. The Honorable Minister responsible for Homeland Security, you have the floor.
Honorable Second Deputy Speaker, I would like to thank the Honorable Member for Salima Northeast for his question about the opening of Tavite
Mr. Speaker,
police unit.
Point of order. Should be Salima North.
Oh, correction, Madam Deputy Speaker, Salima North. Yesterday, I had an interaction in the afternoon with the Honorable Member, and I have already communicated to the Inspector General of Police this morning about the requirement for the opening of the Salima, the Tavite police unit. However, Honorable Member, let me encourage you to pay a visit to the officer in charge of the Salima police station, where he will be readily available to assist you on the provision of the police officers. However, take note of the requirement of the establishment of the police unit that at least there ought to be an office and also a provision of at least 5 houses. But let me encourage you to visit the officer in charge police unit. He's available at your disposal. Consult him and he will assist you accordingly. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, the second one, a question came from the Mangoch East, where there's a request for the construction of a police unit. As indicated, the responsibility of the constructions of the police unit belongs to the community and not to the ministry. So once again, honorable members, take note, lead, champion up in the construction of the police units in your respective areas. Whatever the requirement demands, consult the CDF for extra funding for that. Lastly, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, there was a question from the honorable member for Likoma Island about the 24 houses that appeared in the SONA last year, and that there is no house so far. This is a fresh question which my minister will look into it, and then he will give an appropriate answer after getting more details about this. Thank you, Madam Second Deputy Speaker.
Thank you so much, Honorable Minister. We now go to question number 9. I now recognize the Honorable Member for Rumpi West to acknowledge the question.
Point of order.
Before you, Honorable Member for Rumpi West, there is the Honorable Member for Blantyre Nancholi.
No, Blantyre Sochi Zingwangwa.
Blantyre Sochi Zingwangwa. Why are you rising, Honorable?
Thank you, Madam Second Deputy Speaker. I rise on a matter of public importance. Last night in Blantyre, a female doctor got murdered. So I'm rising.
Honorable Member, I think be guided that the Honorable Member for Salima West
Point of order.
Raised the same issue, and the government promised that at an appropriate time they will come up with an update. Thank you so much.
Point of order.
You are not allowed to switch on your mic, Honorable. If you want to raise a point of order, you have to stand and the chair will recognize you. What has gone out of order, Honorable?
Thank you, Honorable Deputy Speaker, Madam, for recognizing point of order from people of Zimba Southeast constituency. I would like to ask the Honorable Minister of Homeland, as he stated.
Honorable Member, we have done with 3 supplementary questions, and now we are going to question number 9. So I recognize the leader of the House before. Before I recognize the Honorable Member for Rumpi West. You may, thank you so much.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, I beg to move that time be extended to allow the Minister of Homeland Security to respond to the remaining question. I beg to move.
Thank you so much, Honorable Leader of the House. Honorable members, there is a motion. The motion is to extend time to allow the Honorable Minister responsible for Homeland Security to finish answering the remaining questions. Those of the opinion say aye. Those of the contrary opinion say no. The ayes have it, the motion is carried. Honorable Member for Rumpi West, you have the floor.
Second Deputy Speaker, Madam, I'm finalizing the work that people of Rumpi West elected me for 5 years. I think I've presented all the issues in one day, so it's up to them to give me to relax. I confirm the question standing under my name really belongs to Rumpi West. I know that the questions to the Minister of Homeland Security also follows under RANS. So all of them, they are my parents. I hope Rumpi West will hear something today.
Thank you so much, Honorable. Honorable Minister responsible for Homeland Security, you have the floor.
Thank you, Second Deputy Speaker, Madam. I would like to thank the Honorable Member for Rumpi West for the question. The Honorable Member is asking my ministry to consider constructing staff houses at the Highway Police Unit. Madam Second Deputy Speaker, I would like to agree with the Honorable Member on the need to construct staff houses at the Highway Police Unit. Let me take this opportunity to inform the House and the Honorable Member that the Highway Police Unit has been considered 8 houses under phase 2 of the construction of 10,000 houses for security institutions project. The second question, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, the Honorable Member is asking my ministry to consider constructing a police unit at Mwazisi and Kampenda. As earlier indicated, the responsibility of constructing a police unit lies with the community for the sake of ownership of the facility. Honorable Second Deputy Speaker, therefore, I would like to request the Honorable Member to ask for part of the District Development Fund for the construction of the required police units. The Honorable Member may also consider using part of the CDF towards the same. Let me therefore inform the Honorable Member that a standard police unit consists of an office block and at least 5 staff houses. A plan, as already indicated, of the recommended staff houses can be obtained from the office of the officer in charge, Rumpi Police Station. Once construction of the recommended police units and the staff houses is completed, we definitely provide the staff. I respectfully submit Second Deputy Speaker.
Thank you so much, Honorable Minister. Supplementary question starting from the Honor Rumpi West, Mulanje West, and is it
Chikwawa North?
Chikwawa North, in that order, please.
My supplementary question is to bring to the attention of the able minister that the questions that I raised is no longer a request, but you know from the SONA that was presented here that Rumpi was allocated 92 police houses. And part of the houses, foundations, they have already been done last year. The contractor is at the Hewe Post and the Hewe Immigration Post site, where there is no progress of work. There are only tons and tons of sand and the foundations. Now I was requesting if the minister can prioritize the continuation of the projects. About Mazisi, the police unit was started in 2024. It is just at the foundation stage by the central government. It was no longer by the district. It came from the national. We don't know where the contractor has gone. So in Rumpi, you need to pay a lot of attention. There are a lot of challenges. that government budget can lapse only with that constituency.
Thank you so much, Honorable, for your supplementary question. Honorable Member for Mulanje West, you have the floor.
Thank you so much, the Right Honorable, the Second Deputy Speaker. And through you, I would like to congratulate the Minister of Homeland. He is very able, and we salute his appointment because he knows what he's talking about, being a professional, having that professional background. The second speaker, Mulanje West would like to ask the minister, he would like to thank the Minister of Homeland for the 10 houses constructed in Hewe and some of the houses constructed in the cities. But we are looking forward to have some of police officers' houses in the rural areas, i.e. Nampungo, Namulenga. It's so pathetic. And Namulenga, we are depending on the church, which is giving some of the houses to the police officers. And in Kando as well, they're renting very pathetic houses for the police officers, very professional police officers, renting those houses. So the Mulanje West people are asking the minister, is it possible that if he can even consider some of these people, some of these police officers with good houses, as you are looking forward to build some of the houses in the cities, but think about the rural areas where a number of able officers are also presiding in the dilapidated houses. I thank so much for the second.
Thank you so much, Honorable Member for Mulanje West. Honorable Member for Chikwawa North, you have the floor.
Thank you so much, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, for granting permission to people of Chikwawa North to ask a supplementary question. Madam Deputy Speaker, I would like to ask the Honorable Minister to consider opening a police unit at Chavala Trading Center for people of Chavala, Mpatika, Nsalamba, Kandewu, just to mention a few, to have access to police services. For your information, Madam Second Deputy Speaker, the distance between Chikwawa Boma and the Chavala Training Center is approximately 65 kilometers. Thank you so much. I submit.
Thank you so much, Honorable. I now give the floor to the Honorable Minister responsible for Homeland Security.
Madam Second Deputy Speaker, question 1 and number 2, that is from Rumpi West and Mulanje West. I have consulted the minister responsible, that is the Minister of Lands, who is responsible for the construction of the security houses, and he will be coming up with a ministerial statement over the progress of the project. The last one is on the Chikwawa North, as already indicated, and perhaps those that would want again to ask about the construction of the police unit. The responsibility of the construction of these police units belongs to the people of the respective areas. So whosoever maybe would want again to bring that same question, please take note. The construction, the responsibility of the construction of the police unit does not rest on the ministry. It rests upon you, honorable members. I submit, Honorable Deputy, Second Deputy Speaker, Madam.
Thank you so much, Honorable Minister responsible for Homeland Security. Honorable members, it's now 12:38. I now suspend the House. The House will resume at 2:08. House suspended.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.